Hey guys, welcome back to Spot Aura channel. Now I will give you tutorial how to change picture profile on Canva for Android. And before that, I wanna ask you, how are you guys? So you don't miss of our videos, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. And let's start it. First, we go to the Canva application that you have been to install it before. Click on the Canva here. Okay, after that, wait for a moment. Go to the menu. In the below of the right corner, click on the menu, and then you can click the settings. Click on the settings, and after that you can click the your account. Click on your account. And now how to change your picture profile on Canva? You can click upload photos and choose the one of photos that you want to be your profile picture. And after that, your profile photos is changed, and now your has a new the profile photos. Okay, this is a tutorial how to change a picture profile on Canva. I hope this video is useful for you. Thank you for the attention and bye.